Many of you know that this is one of my favorite watches. It kicked off my YouTube channel with my first review, served as my first dress watch, and most importantly was my wedding watch. Most of you also know that I cracked the Hardlex crystal and have since stopped wearing it. This is the story of how I finally got it fixed. After crying about it and getting all emotional, I console myself with a donut. Following that, many of you reached out to me suggesting watch repair shops and offering advice on how to get it fixed. Although the idea of sending it for professional repair is probably what I should have done months ago, I had an itch. I wanted to fix it myself. Shout out to Escapement and Watch video, which I will link it in my description. His video has helped me majority of my research. Firstly, I realized that this isn't an ordinary case of crystal swap. Usually you have to pop the crystal out from the inside after removing the movement. But for this watch, the crystal sits on top of a gasket, which is then locked in place with a bezel. Yes, you heard me right, there's a bezel on this watch. Secondly, I can't just get any generic sapphire crystals as replacement. I had to get a crystal that is specifically designed for this Seiko, which translates to higher costs, with a difference in currency and shipping, because as far as I know, I can only find it from Monster watches. And this was the amount I paid. Thirdly, I feel more confident now to fix it myself. I have all the tools I need, and I've ordered 2 crystals, just in case I screw things up. Hey guys, today I am fixing this broken watch. Let's start. First of all, I need my cap. Okay, finger cuts. I think I'll straight away remove the spring bar first. Remove the bracelet. Okay, easy enough. Okay. You actually have to open from the bezel itself. Yes, this is a bezel. So you're supposed to pry the bezel open and the crystal is there. So to pry it open, I have 3. Can you believe it? I have 3. So let's see which one is more suitable. Should I tape it? Yes, I should, to avoid scratch. But I'm lazy to do that. So let's just try it, and if it's very bad, then maybe I'll consider taping it. Maybe let's try another one. This one. Not sure if you can see where is the notch, but it's actually here. Let me try the yellow one. Easy with this one. Okay. Now you get what I mean. It's a bezel. It doesn't come out. Oh my god. It just comes off. There you go. Oh, look at the dial, man. Look at the dial. Such a gorgeous dial. Wow. Okay, so this is the old one, which I don't think I'm using it because I have new one over here. So I think the next step is to have a packed wood and a little bit of Rodico. Stick it like this, and then let's clean it up. Just a little bit more precaution. I have a squeezy over here. The dial, I mean, check it out. It's... I think I fell in love again. I think I saw some dust. I'm going to keep it here. While I prep the crystal. So the thing is, I can't decide whether I want to go with double dome or flat. But I think I'll go with flat for now. I'm using the flat SNXS clear anti-reflective coating. Just pop it on top like this on the gasket. You know what? I've changed of heart. I'll try double dome. I'm just curious, okay? I'm just curious like how it will look like. So this is the double dome crystal. You know what? I actually like the double dome more. Yeah, this double dome looks cooler. Okay, next thing I need is a case presser. This is correct size. Let me just change the dial size. My presser is a bit... Do you hear that? That means it's locked. It's done. Let me check. Okay, it's not dropping. I got it fixed! Movement is working. Wow. I fixed it. I can't believe it. This is definitely an accomplishment. I got it fixed! This definitely gave me more confidence. And yeah, this definitely gave me more confidence for future mods if I want to, or future repairs. I was initially so afraid to do this, but it turns out to be fine. And you know what? This cheap case presser works, which I didn't expect that, to be honest. And you know what? This double dome is very subtle. Yeah, this double dome is very subtle. I'm glad I did a last minute change and went with the double dome. I'm very happy with this. I guess that's about it. This video turned out to be shorter than what I expect. It turns out great! So like this video if this is the kind of video that you like to watch, and comment below on what do you think of my newly repaired watch. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh yeah, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. Bye!